Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll discuss about the constant member functions. So constant member functions are the functions which are declared as constant in the program. So you can change the value of a particular object in the program. It is recommended to use constant keyword so that the accidental changes to the object are avoided. So in any case, when we don't want to change the value of the object, in that case we use the const keyword and make that particular data member constant. We'll understand this by using an example. So we have made a class named person, and then in the public category we have placed our data member country. You can see that the string in data variable data type string has the country variable. Okay, in the next line we have defined the member function void speak. In void speak we use the same variable country, but we place the two different countries, Canada and Pakistan. You can see that our program, as we know that the program runs line to line, then when it comes here, then it will first stores the data, stores the name country in Canada, then it will display this in the country name, and then in the next line it will store the name Pakistan in country. You can see that the country will have the two different names, Canada and Pakistan. Okay, in the same variable we have two different names, Canada and Pakistan. Okay, and then in the main body we call the member function by using the class object P. Our class is person and the object is P, and by using the object P dot variable dot operator and speak member function, we call this member function in the program in our main body. Let's run this and see its output. Okay, let's run its output. So I born in Canada and I live in Pakistan. You can see that the Canada is basically stored in country variable. Similarly, the Pakistan is also stored in country variable. Okay, you can see that a single variable is used for two different names. In order to avoid this, we use the constant member function. So I have another similar example. In the second example, you can see that we have already stored a name Pakistan in variable country. So in the start of the program, you can see that the country has Pakistan, country has stored name Pakistan, but in the next line we have member function. This is the normal member function, but then we have the keyword const, which makes it a constant member function. So when we use this constant member function, we can store any other name in the same variable. In the next line, if I try to place another name in the same variable, it will definitely show me an error. So this is the same program as I explained earlier. So let's run and see that what's the error. You can see that constant, it is showing me an error, and it's showing me an error that we are using the constant member function and we are using the same variable for the two different names to store. So this is not possible by using the constant member function. So if I comment this country and again run this, this is another error. You can see that Now it is not giving me any error, which shows that by using the constant the value of country as Pakistan, you can't store any other value in the variable country. So basically the constant member function avoids change in a particular data member.